up, CJ? Where we at?
What up? We embrace the motorsport course for FL2K. No, where are we? What is this? It's IFO.
Every time we got a car crash, a CRX crashed all the way down there.
They want me to put a fire jacket on there.
Sucks. Hit the wall pretty hard. We pretty much drove from Clean Culture in West Palm Beach, spent the night there, and then drove here to Bradenton, which is on the Tampa side of Florida, so it's pretty much the opposite side. So it's pretty far trip. So, but we made it on time. I recorded one round already. Got the Supra. It's gonna go against Tom CRX. After that would be David's car versus the RSX. I don't think the GTR is racing. I think he has the Byron. Sticks in the back. Looks pretty cool. I like it. A lot of red chrome stuff. Here's the RSX. Close up. Pretty nice. Parachute setup. Roll cage. Seen this car before at FL2K last year. Pretty crazy. And here's David's car. JBRE engine. He just added the carbon doors to it. It's pretty nice. A lot of carbon. Pretty similar to what my car is gonna look like. Carbon hood and doors, no fenders, so you got a little color in there. And Tom CRX with the new wrap. This is first event, debuting it pretty much. And then the Supra. Supra looks pretty sleeper mode. Has a cage, blends in pretty good.
Stagger, play little car, 94.
Kicking it back. So Tom just raced David. Epic race. Epic. Wait, show him the footage.
Side by side racing. Literally, you almost went in his lane.
Roger.
Oh, that's GoPro?
Yeah,
We'll watch it live.
Well, the GoPro's in fuck, bro.
Oh, you didn't.
Yeah, I know.
What is? Uh oh. Comes the train.
Oh wow, you.
Powered by what kind of motor is that?
JBR E99.
They're both JBR engines. They're both fast. Dave is getting to run this GTR here. A pretty wild race. GoPros hooked up. I have one GoPro here. I have one GoPro there facing that direction where the GTR would be.
Right on.
Street cars. Out of here, man. He was all doing the slow and went to 66. Get the motor. Hey man, 4 years back, bro. Haven't been here in a long time. Oh, that was your camera? Wow, what the happened? You're doing like the slalom. You're doing the slalom in first gear, bro. See how to cut this. And I need to have something that comes around and supports the body. And then I need to...
Alright, congratulations guys.
Hey guys, it's David Carrion. Just won first event of the year, IFO Bradenton. Wanted to thank a bunch of people. My boy PP Fab, JBRE, RS Tech, Mark Podquick, 4130, AFH Honda Parts, Drag Cartel, and a bunch more that I can't remember, and especially my wife and kids and the rest of my family. Thank you so much.
It's crunch time. I literally have a few days to get this car ready.